Family comedy movies. Teka.
Story.
Sister Petra.
Ethic Boss.
Music by Ethic Boss.
Oh. I have to call Miss Sarah. Good morning, Miss Sarah. How are you? It's Miss Pat. How? Yes, I'm back. I'm back, man. I'm back. All is well? Oh, it was good. It was a good trip. You know, it's a good trip. But you know, I'm just calling you to find out something. I'm looking for a gardener, you know. I need a gardener because since I'm here, the place is like, it's crazy. It's bushy and you know, I just need a gardener to take care of the place. I'm not comfortable, you know. You don't know anybody. Okay. So how is your husband? He's good. Okay. All right, I'm just going down the road then to see if I could find somebody, you know, because I just can't deal with how the place is. So I'll come and see you guys one other day, okay? Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Same to you. All right. That looked like Miss Pato. I wonder if it's last night she come back. She looks so good. Hey! Good morning, Miss Pat. Welcome. You know that I'm looking for a gardener. Do you know where I can find a gardener in the village? You're looking for a gardener? Hey! Miss Pat, you find the right person, oh. You know that I do little gardening at my house and I take care of the dogs and all that you're looking for, oh, it's right here. No, Josiah, I'm looking for a professional gardener. You know, I need a gardener that can prune the flowers, that can cut the lawn, that can feed my dog and all of those things, you know. So I'm looking really for a professional gardener, Josiah. Miss Pat, I beg you, I can do a good job, oh. Please, I beg you, I need the money, oh, because sometimes I'm so hungry. Remember that you know me very well, Miss Pat. Just give me a chance. Please, I beg you. Okay, Josiah, since you insist, I'm going to give you a try, right? So you come by the house tomorrow morning, the latest 7:30, okay? Can you do that? Okay, ma'am, thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much. I appreciate it, though. I will be there. You don't have to worry about time. I will be there. 7:30 sharp. Hey, you just look out for me. I am so grateful, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Okay, ma. Have a good one, ma. Have a good one. I only hope that when she comes, she dressed professionally. She don't dress like that to come to my house because I won't tolerate that. I won't disappoint Miss Pato. I know she's a good woman, so I will do my work very well. I am so grateful that I am the one that she give the chance to be the gardener. Miss Pat, you don't worry yourself, oh, and she looks so very good. Look at her. She looks so nice. Hey!
A few moments later.
Wow, oh my God, the rain come down so suddenly. Oh, thank you, Lord, for your blessing. It's been a long time. I haven't seen this. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Oh, woo! Look at the rain. It's so nice. Let me call my husband. Wow, so beautiful. Hey, Jeremiah, what's up? How are you? Hey, sweetie, I didn't want to wake you this morning. You don't have to worry. I was just walking out because I was looking for a gardener. Yes, I should have waked you, but I didn't want to, you know, because I know you're tired. Actually, yes, I found a gardener. And guess me who it is? You remember Monica lost daughter? Josiah? Yes, that one. That little one, yeah. I met her this morning when I was going down. Actually, I don't know. She remembered me. Yeah, and I asked her if she knew any gardener, and she said to me that I should look no further, that she's the one. So I said to her, no, I'm looking for a professional gardener because the place stays so bad. So she's saying that she do gardening work as well. So I tell her to come at the house tomorrow in the morning about 7:30. I don't know if I made the right decision, but trust me, honey, she was literally crying. She's saying that she's hungry sometimes, and I couldn't live with myself to know that I need somebody to do something, and you know, to know that she's hungry. Yes, sweetie. And remember, she's somebody that we know, you know what I mean? So I think it's okay. I think it's okay. I think I made the right decision anyhow. Actually, I'm just a little bit down the road, so I'll be there shortly. No problem, no problem. The rain comes down, trust me, but I had an umbrella in my bag. But it's beautiful. I love it. I'm enjoying it. Okay, honey, I'll see you in a while. Don't worry, don't do that. You don't have to make breakfast. No, no, baby, don't do that. I'm coming to do that, okay? I love you too, love you. Okay, honey. Later. My brother's house. I wonder if he's there. My brother do gardening work, so I don't have any tool and I can't go to work like that way. So I have to go and see if I can borrow his tool. I can't let him know he will. Oh, hello, Miss Sarah. How are you? Oh, you're just checking to find out if I get somebody. But to be honest with you, yes, I get somebody, and trust me, I'm wondering if I make the right decision. Yes, actually, it's I don't know if you remember that young lady, Josiah. That's Monica's daughter. Yeah, the youngest. She said that she do a good job because I've been asking her if she knew any professional gardener. She says she's one, so I decided to try her. I don't know if I made the right decision, but I give her a try. What do you think? All right. Thanks for checking up on me. Say hi to your hubby for me, okay? I'll come and see you as soon as possible, as soon as I get settled down or something. Okay, honey. All right, bye. I wonder if he's in here, he hides his tools. Huh? I don't want him to know that I am borrowing his tool, because if he ever know, he's very miserable. Very miserable. Jeremiah, honey. Open the door, baby. Hi. Oh my God, I'm so exhausted, baby. I won again. I won again. Yes, he don't see me. I have to try this, you know. But I'm Josiah, the gardener. I'm trying this to see if it works very well. Let me see. I have to know how to do it professionally before I go to Miss Pat's place, you know. So Oh, I'm doing a good job. Look at that. It worked pretty fine. Ah! Oh my God, I just know what to do, you know. Anything I put my hand to, it works, you know. Yes, so I can see that I am fit. Miss Pat, get ready for me. Oh. I'm coming to fix your house very well. Hey, hey, hey.
Strength doesn't come from what you can do. It comes from overcoming the things you thought you could not do. Yeah?
So finally, I get a chance to use this. I always see my brother using it, and I wonder how it used. So I borrowed it yesterday. So today I will prove myself to Miss Pato. My brother must be looking for it now, but I don't think he will think that I am the one that steal it, you know, because he know that I'm a woman. I will never do such thing. Okay, Miss Pat. You will be proud of me, oh. Trust me. Just give me a chance. Good morning, Miss Pat. Good morning, Josiah. How are you? You can come. I can see you come well prepared this morning with all your tools, right? Oh, yes, Miss Pat. I packed from overnight, you know, because that's the kind of woman I am. Oh. I always try to put my stuff together so that in the morning I am not running up and down to look for the things that I want to use, okay? Actually, the neighbors, they're doing some work next door. You're going to hear a lot of noise and all of that, but I don't want you to pay that any mind, okay? I just needed to just focus on what you're doing, okay? It's okay. This is nothing, man. This is nothing compared to in the village. In the village where I live, there's so much noise in the village. So this is nothing. I won't pay them any mind. Don't worry about it. I am good to go. Tell you what. In the meantime, you could just... Alright, go on the veranda and then you go inside and then you turn to your right. And then you see the second door on your right. That's the bathroom. You can go in there and change. I'll be with you shortly, okay? Okay, Miss Pat. I'll get ready until you come. I'll start do some work until when you see me, okay? Okay, Miss Pat. Boy, this young lady, she really mean business. You know, can you imagine she come with all her tools to start the work? That to show you that she really needed that job, you know? I'm happy that I give it to her.
A few minutes later.
I can see I'm doing a good job. I like the feelings. It feels very well. My brother should see what I'm doing. He won't believe it, so, because he never know that I could have done it. Myself, I didn't know I could have done it as well. I hope when Miss Pat comes, she loves what she sees. This thing feels very well. Feels good. Okay. I'll go up here. That's a good job. That's a good job. I don't understand this at all. I don't understand. If this is so easy for me, it's the first I'm doing this. And it feels so good. I am enjoying myself. Oh. Can you imagine these young people? I am cutting this and I'm a woman. Hey! And these young boys, They don't want to do anything. Eh? They get up every day in their socks and slippers. Hey, walking up and down the road giving trouble. When they can just take up something like me, Madam Josiah, and do this. So I enjoy it. Find something to do the time they're walking up and down on the road and giving their parents trouble. Oh. I love my job. Feels good. I hope these young people would see what I'm doing when they are passing by, and they know that they can do anything for a living. From there getting their money. Hey, it is no shame. No shame to do your work and get your money. Hey, Miss Pat. Ah, Josiah, I can see you start working. That's very nice. Yes, I start before you come. By the look of it, I can see that you're a very hard worker. You know, Madam Josiah come to work. So I have to do what I come to do. I am well pleased. It looks good so far. I am glad that you're well pleased, ma'am. I am so happy. I'm so happy. Actually, I wanted to meet the dogs so that they can get used to you. Okay, ma'am. Okay, go ahead and come back. I will be down there when you come, ma'am. Josiah, stop what you're doing and follow me, okay? Let me introduce you to the dogs. Okay, Miss Pat, I can't wait to meet them all. Yeah. Why are they chained, Miss Pat? So this is Lion, and the reason why Lion is chained is just because last night they get away and they digged out a part of the fence. So I have to wait until the guy comes to fix it so I can let them go back. Because, you know, in Jamaica, if a dog bites somebody, you can get in serious trouble, okay? So this is Lion. So they'll let go by now and later. Nice dog, Lion. Nice dog. That's Sky. Sky, she's in pup, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna go inside and do some work and leave you, let you do your work, okay? Okay, Miss Pat, I'll just go back and do what I was doing, okay? Pretty dog. You're a pretty dog. Sky. Hey, Miss Pat, introduce me to the dogs. They are so pretty. I like that one. I wonder if I could get one of the puppy when she have it. Yeah. I want one of those dogs at my house. Yeah, so when the thief come, they will buck up on them. I am so thirsty, eh? Yeah. I'm hungry too. You know, one of these days I will own my own big house, so, and I will have my pretty dog in my house. Miss Pat seems like a nice lady, but I don't know why she don't even introduce me to her husband. Oh, I wonder why. Hey, that is really strange. That's very strange. Miss Pat and my mother, they used to go to school together, so I guess that's the reason why she gave me the work. But I will make her proud. I'll make her proud. Hey. I am feeling so hungry. But I'll drink some water. The sun is very hot.
I wonder what him could have do so long. Oh God. Because Josiah out there sweat, man. And my wife I go out there to her and she need to bring a little drink of water go give her, man. Because son out there hot and the girl a wipe all her face. No sir, that no look right, man. Get some water give her. No like them type of thing, you know. You can't have people pick me a slave outside and she say she and the girl mother go schooling and look how she have the girl out there and her son. Wonder where she a walk a go, you know.
Honey?
You couldn't bring the water and give the poor girl out there. Look at the girl out there so a bun up in her son. Look here. You think so that right to have the girl out there so a bun up in her son?
Oh my God. Did you just attack me when I come in here?
No, honey, but it's not right to have the girl out there so a bun up in her son and you say you and the girl mother go to school together.
So what if we both go to school together? What does that have to do with me? I don't care. I don't care. So I just come in from outside and you just come and attack me.
No attack, honey, but me I say at least you go out there a while ago, you could have bring me water.
Listen to me. Did she ask you for water? Did she tell you she's thirsty?
No, she never tell me, but...
So why are you so concerned? Why are you so concerned? Huh? What's your problem?
Because she wipe the sweat off her face.
So now you become a peeping Tom.
No, I don't...
Listen to me. So you sitting here and peeping outside. Anything out there concern you? So why you come and you tell me that she need water, I should bring water, go out there. Listen to me. Listen, that water ain't going out there. That glass, my pretty glass, my expensive glass, ain't going out there. So you listen to me. You take that back in the kitchen. And next time, let me tell you something. You never see me come in the house and you attack me. Okay? Never you dare do that again. Can you imagine I leave you in here and you come attack me telling me about Josiah need water? What does that have to do with me? And then you're so bright that you're going to tell me that Josiah's mother and I go to school. So why did we go to school together? That had nothing to do with me. Nothing at all.
Can't believe say one woman can wicked so. Because a poor girl I work hard. And little water you can't give her. Now make that this woman you come go and I say she want to run my head, you know. Me I give her water, you know. Things that she come rule me in this. I give girl water. A girl needs some water to drink. Good afternoon, Miss Josiah. How are you doing?
Good afternoon, sir. Hey, I am good, oh. I'm good.
I am Jeremiah,
nice to meet you.
Miss Pat's husband.
You're Miss Pat's husband?
Yeah.
Hey, I wanted to meet you a long time, oh. Why you didn't come and say hi from in the morning, oh?
Well, I'm a busy man, you know. You know?
You're a busy man.
Yeah, Miss Pat said I should give you this water.
Thank you. Jeremiah! Jeremiah, honey, where are you? Oh, where is he? Oh, I just leave him there.
She explained that you were out here working very hard.
Oh, I'm telling you.
So how you liking the work so far?
It is good, it is good. You know, I know my way around the cutlass and all of these things, you know.
Yeah, so I can see you putting in some good work.
I am good like that, man. I am very good like that. You know, I enjoy my work, you know.
Yeah, I can do this work too, you know, but...
You, sir?
Yeah, I can do it, man, but
you in your socks and looking so cute. Hey! That's a lie, you. You
no,
don't
man,
know how
serious,
to do this
serious.
thing.
Look at this.
Oh my God! I did not just see Jeremiah, go out there and give this girl my glass of water. Oh my God! This is crazy! So, all along I see Jeremiah in this house. And he said he's peeping outside. That means he's looking at this girl. Huh? And watch her body language. Watch her body language. What the hell could they be talking about that Jeremiah is even smiling? He's laughing. Huh? He think it's funny? He think it's funny? What are you doing?
You can hold this for me?
What are you
I
doing,
can do
sir?
it, ma'am.
Sir, take it.
I
Okay,
can do it,
sir.
ma'am.
Okay, sir.
But
I don't want you to spoil my work, so you give this to me. You think I want your wife to come and see you? You cutting for me, and I am the one supposed to cut it. But I see you can do. I didn't know you because you guys are so rich in that big old house, you know. So I didn't know you could have done all these things.
Yeah,
you
man,
know?
we can do it, but just do the work, man.
Okay.
Busy, so.
Okay.
But I thought it was a guy she would bring come and do this work. But she explained and tell me everything about you, so
Yes,
I said,
sir.
why not? Just give her a try.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And sir, I really enjoy this work. You know, I don't want you and Madam to take this work from me because, you know, I was dying for hunger at my also.
Really?
You know that? Yes. So when I see her and she tell me about the work for somebody, I couldn't let somebody else get it. Oh, I need it. I need it, sir. So
I
thank you, sir.
understand. It's a
I am
very
really
tough time
grateful,
now, you know,
sir.
miss.
Yes,
Very,
sir.
very
Yes, sir.
tough
That's
time.
the reason why I promise to do my best. You know, just you guys just please don't take this work from me, sir.
No, man.
Don't take this work,
I won't
sir.
do that, man. No.
Okay, sir. I am so grateful for the water, sir. You see, it's like a very, very, very nice man.
Yeah, man.
Nice, sir. Nice, sir. And watch Josiah's behavior. Oh my God! No, I will not tolerate this. I will not tolerate this. Right now, I am so upset. I am so damn upset with him. Okay, so he's tired of me. He needs a younger girl. That's what he wants. Why he's doing all these shit. Okay, all right. Okay, you know what? The time I am here, I'm going all crazy. I'll just deal with it. I'm tired of this. It's crazy. I want to go back to my work, sir.
Okay,
I
then.
want to go
I'll
back
leave
to
you
my
to your work. Nice to
Yes.
meet you again.
It's nice to meet you again, sir.
No, man, you don't have to wipe off your hand, man. I'm used to this, man.
No, sir. You know my hands are very dirty. You know, sir.
So nice to meet you
Okay,
again,
sir.
okay?
Okay,
so I'll
sir.
see you next time. Just
Okay,
continue
sir.
the good work and
Okay,
everything will
sir.
go smooth from
Okay,
there.
sir.
I'll
Okay,
tell
sir.
my wife that you're doing a very good job.
Okay,
so
sir.
you can just carry on.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir. The man looks so good. Is that Pat husband? Hey, he look very nice. He's a very nice man. Can you imagine? He see that I was so thirsty from long time, so hey, he brings some water for me. I wouldn't mind if it was a little lemonade or something, oh. But he bring the water. What can I do? Hey, he even showed me that he can do the same work that I'm doing. He's something else. So, Mr. Jeremiah, what are you doing out here?
Carry some water, go get Josiah.
You bring water to Josiah. What did I tell you before you come out here? What did I say to you?
But honey, she did thirsty.
But honey, what? I asked you over and over. Did she come inside and tell you that she needs water?
No, but me give her
So
some
why
and
did you give it to
drink-
her?
She drink off the whole of water.
Out of my glass! Out of my glass. Who cares if she drink off all the water? I noticed you've been flirting yourself around. You're up there and smiling while she's wiggling her body.
We only
You think I didn't see?
We only discuss the
Who the hell care about this cuss? Oh my God. I get Mr. Jeremiah in trouble. Hiya. So who's going to drink out of that glass? Could you tell me?
Who we drink out of it, honey?
Oh, so you need to drink Josiah malt water. You want to drink her malt water.
No, honey, this now it a wash now.
You listen to me, you big head. You get this in your thick head. Whatever I say in this house, that's what goes. Do you hear me?
Yes, honey.
Don't play with me. You don't play with me. I noticed both of you were getting all, she was getting all flirty and both of you were
I'm
laughing.
flirty, honey. We are glad this about work.
Okay.
And the work we out there discuss and I tell her that she do a good job.
Why the hell you come out of the house moreover to go and talk to a gardener? You're talking to a gardener and you're smiling and skinning your big grin and telling me that you were talking about the work. Did I send you out there to get all common with her?
No, honey, but just to me see she look thirsty.
Listen to me. You don't come and tell me anything about no damn thirsty. Let she die for thirst. You hear me?
Yes, honey.
Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Because I noticed from morning you behaving away. But you know me very well. You hear what I'm saying? You come and tell me that you're going to drink her mouth water. You're so barefaced and bright right in front of my eyes. Right in front of my eyes. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. And the next time I talk to you, you better listen.
Yes, honey.
You get what I'm saying?
Yes, honey.
Go inside. But I will drink out of it. Look at you. Huh? You're staring at me. You're staring at me. Don't play with me, girl. Don't play with me. Hi. Madam. Hey. I didn't know that Miss Pat was like that, oh. Hey. Hey. Jeremiah, get back here. Get back here.
What happened now?
So, you're going behind my rules. You're going behind my back? That's what you're doing?
What you mean?
What do you mean by what I mean? I told you not to go out there with my glass, right? And you go out there and you give her water in my glass?
So what if me give her the water, the girl out there thirsty? From morning she in the sun.
Oh my God.
You understand?
So, you mean to tell me that you will let you get in trouble?
But what kind of trouble this is supposed to talk about me getting in trouble?
You know right now I am so pissed.
Why me I get in trouble if you give somebody little water?
Listen! With my glass!
So
and my water!
Give her,
I don't want anybody to drink out of my glass.
So what you want me give her water in then?
She's a poor woman daughter. That is what she is.
So you wasn't poor too?
Who cares?
You're born rich?
You know what? Her mom just sit around and having kids all over. Right? I didn't born rich. But you know what? I lift my head high when I was in school.
But she can't lift her head high too.
When?
She not get the big
So, it is the wrong thing I did when I bring that witch come here. You think I didn't see when I was looking through the window and I see you? She was winding up her ass in your face.
What kind of wind up? Me I show the girl how to cut the flowers. And me I tell her say me.
Oh! So you're confessing.
Me I tell her say me can't do the work, but I just show me busy. Me have business I take care of, me not cut it.
What kind of business you have taken care of? You're telling her just because you want a conversation. Just because you want to yap your big mouth with her. You go out there, but you taking it and showing her that you can do the same thing. You're getting on my nerve. So, we don't even come here a few days good. And you start with your dirty attitude. Because you're in your country. Don't play with me. You hear what I'm saying? Don't look as if you're so innocent because you want anybody to sorry for you. You're a sneaky little brat. That's what you're doing. You know that?
But me I said this is supposed to be a big deal.
It is!
How come it should be a big deal?
The point is, you're not supposed to go out there. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? You want me to listen to me? Listen to me, man. You know what? Go in your room. You just being annoying to me right now. Go in your room. I'm going to get ready. I'm going to check my friend. Because if I follow you guys here today, you're testing my fate. That's what you're doing. I'm going to get ready and leave this place. Hey, I hope Madam is not doing Jeremiah anything. Oh, I feel so bad. Oh, I get Mr. Jeremiah in trouble. Hi. But why would Madam would want to talk to her husband like that? Oh, I never see anybody talk to their man like that. Hi. Even right before me, she's dealing with him like that, oh. Hey, I wonder what she's saying to him in there. I hope she's not hitting him, oh. Hey, I just didn't know that Miss Pot was a witch. Hey, Jeremiah?
Yes, honey.
Fix your face better than that. Come here. I'm gonna check Sarah. Okay?
Why you have to check Sarah?
Because I want to know more about this girl, Josiah, that I bring in my house.
So what else you want to know about the girl, honey? The girl not cause no problem.
She is...
Are you a cause to all our problem, them, you know?
Oh, so you know all about her, that you are blaming me also, right?
No, but you take things out of the wrong context.
What?
You don't know what we out there discuss nor nothing, right? You only a jump and a assume thing.
Well, if you feel offended by what I do, that's too bad. But listen to me now. You finished talking, so it's my time to talk. I'm gonna check Sarah to find out about that witch outside. And that's final. You can't say I didn't tell you. Okay? So you can shift your way back to your room. Okay. Have a good one.
So you're going not even a kiss, you have
a kiss. I don't even know if I want to kiss you, because I don't even know if you drink out of that dirty glass. And you shouldn't even bring it back into my house. Listen, are you a big man here? Oh, so you're a man that... Come here. You're a man that you hiss in your teeth after your wife. You hiss in your teeth after your wife? I'm talking to you.
No, honey.
Listen, you fix yourself better than that. And you behave like you're my husband. And stop behaving like you're those street boys. You forget where I take you from? I take you from the ghetto! You hear me?
Yes, honey.
You know what? You can't even take the pig out of the pen. Because if you take them and you put them on somewhere good, they're going to dig that ass down. You know that? And that's the behavior of you. I take you from the ghetto and you're still behaving like a ghetto. I didn't say to walk away. Look at your ugly face. Move from before me. And you make sure when I come back, I don't hear or see you talking to that little girl outside. I'm going to deal with her anyhow. Josiah, stop what you're doing and come to me right now. Yes, ma'am. I'm coming up. Yes, ma'am. You think I didn't see when you wiggling your little body to let my husband see your ass? No, madam. I don't want your husband, oh. I don't want your husband. I don't come for any trouble, ma'am. Hey. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, girl. You come to my house trying to take my man. You just got here. And this is what you come here to do. Mom, he was just showing me that this is how he can do the same thing that I do, Mom. Please, I beg you, Mom. I don't mean any trouble, oh. You're biting the hand that feed you, girl? Miss Pat, hey. Remember that you and my mother go to school, oh. Remember you guys were in the same class. So please, oh, don't treat me like this. I don't want you to sack me, oh. Please, I need this work. I beg you, oh. Don't tell me about your poor, sick mother, okay? Don't tell me about her. Your mother could never, ever keep up to me. Your mother was a dunce. And not only a dunce, your mother just go around having kids all over with different men. So don't compare me to your mom.
It's really about this to go fast to the poor girl for. Well, what the girl really do wrong? The girl not do nothing wrong at all, you know.
Don't look at me like that. You stay there arguing with me. You stay there arguing with me. Madam, you jumped me in my face. Hey. You're crying. You think that I care? You should get more than that. Listen, I am going through the gate. And you wait until I come back. You'll see what I do to you. But you are a little witch. Okay. Since as you disrespect my mother, you look down on me and my mother. When Mr. Jeremiah come out here, I will talk to him. I'm going to look him. You'll see, because of what you do to me and say about my mother. You'll see what I'll do to you, you little witch. Go away and leave me alone. I don't know why madam have to treat me like this.
Josiah, I'm very sorry. You can sit on this.
Thank you. Sir,
I was inside and I see everything that take place.
I'm telling you, I don't know what is wrong with Miss Pato. She's accusing us.
Can you use this to wipe your face?
Thank you. You seem like such a nice man.
Josiah, I am going through a lot, you know.
Like what, sir? Like what?
The woman treat me very bad.
I can see it, sir.
I have to
so why you stay with her?
I don't have anywhere else to go.
Sir, you can't stay with me. I live in a shack. And I sleep on the floor on a piece of wood.
I don't respond, Josiah, as long as I am happy. Yes, Josiah, as long as I am happy. I'm tired of this now. I have to be buying my own food.
Your own food?
Yes, I have to buy my own food.
And your husband and wife?
Yes.
Oh my God, hey!
She even put me in a different room to sleep.
Hey! And you live in a big house with her, sir?
Yes.
Hey!
She stay upstairs and I stay downstairs. We don't sleep together.
Then what are you doing with that witch? You see how she deal with you and deal with me?
Yes, she treat us very badly. I don't know why this woman, she continue disgracing me in front of even stranger like you.
So why you don't do something? Why you sit with her just because she have your money? Huh?
Just because that, but
Is she have the money or is you have the money?
She have the money because I am coming from a very poor background.
So because you come from a poor background, you're going to let that woman walk all over you with her muddy foot?
No.
Stand up, I know. Who's she?
I am gonna leave, Josiah. When she come back, I am gonna leave. It's not because through money I'm gonna stay there.
That's what I'm saying to
I need happiness now. I'm getting very old.
That's what I'm saying,
I cannot
sir.
be living my life like this.
No, sir. It's not fair for a man to live like you. When I see the way she talk to you and telling a lie on me as well, and on you about I'm wiggling my body in your face. She's a liar,
I say she even put her hand in your face. Suppose you was like somebody else who would retaliate and hit her back. I thought you was gonna hit her back, you know.
I didn't want to do it because I need the work.
Don't worry about the work. Leave the work. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Let you keep her work. I'm gonna leave also.
That's a good one, sir. You can come and stay with me. You know, many a times, you know that poor people live better than even the ones that are wealthy.
Yes, sometimes you have your money and your
Hey, I'm telling you.
I'm coming from a poor background, right?
Yeah.
And I was happy.
Hey, that's what
I was happy. And now I'm miserable. Every day I get cussing for nothing at all.
That is what is wrong with a lot of these rich people. They pretend when they come on road that they are happy and living a good life. And when you go to their house, they live worse than Puss and Dago.
Yes,
me and you as a poor person, we live better than them.
Very
That's
true.
the reason why they are jealous, but they will not let us know that we are living better than them.
Because the first day when you come here and you explain about your situation of being hungry, I was being hungry too. I
didn't know
how to be hungry too. That's why I bring the water, because I see you out here working very hard. And I couldn't stay inside and watch you out here thirsty.
I appreciate that, sir. I appreciate
She only focus in on her money and how to use people to do her dirty work. She don't have no sympathy in her.
She have no heart,
No heart at all.
Hey, can you imagine when I talk to her and I tell her that you and my mother go to school together? You see how she treat me?
And if not disgrace your mother about your mother having a lot of children and what that is her business?
Hi.
Why she get involved in your business?
She's very disrespectful.
And when she
sir.
talk to your mother, good and nice, like everything is okay.
She's just evil.
She's a witch. She's a witch. She's not okay. She's a witch.
That is true. That is true.
I'm gonna leave today. I can't take it anymore.
You can stay with me.
I will stay with you, man.
With me. You don't have to stress out yourself. The sun is so hot and you don't have to stress out yourself.
I'm fed up, man.
I understand. Well, tell you what. I will make you happy.
Thank you.
If you give me a chance.
I will.
You think you can love me?
She treating me like I'm a little boy and go there and put down that and...
So why you didn't react back to her? Why you didn't shove her down in the house? Shove her up the stairs.
Because she have my papers. She hold on my papers.
So you have to go back abroad?
No, I'm not going back. I'm not going back. Let you stay abroad.
Yes.
And be miserable by yourself. I'm not gonna be there and be miserable.
Okay.
I prefer be with you and happy more than stay there and be miserable.
I love that. I love that. You don't have to get angry. You don't have to get angry.
I love that.
You love that?
A while ago she kissed.
She don't kiss you and you're
She
so
don't have any
handsome.
sympathy. And that feel lovely a while ago. You know how much years I don't feel something like this? I love this man.
And tell you what, when you live with me, Josiah, you're getting lots more than that.
Let's go. The sun is very hot. You cannot be sitting down in the sun like that.
So give me another chips before.
Come on.
Be careful of the whole of them.
Ethic, Sister Petra.
True man, I step up, no love is that. Be your friends with the love is sit and check on me cash. When the black Benz pull up, no for purpose crash. So me stay far and pre them as I as the top. True man, I step up, no love is that. Be your friends with the love is sit and check on me cash. When the black Benz pull up, no for purpose crash. So me stay far and pre them as I as the top.
True me by the black Benz, now I just screw face. Them no remember when me used to link June off it toothpaste. First page, free them because them have two face. Mama used to struggle back then in all my youth days. Now she a travel more than plane and suitcase. Pagan to try to keep up, but them a lose weight. The way me think up, me not fi bend fi tie me shoes late. Try to stop me now, me I tell you say you're too late.
True man, I step up, no love is that. Be your friends with the love is sit and check on me cash. When the black Benz pull up, no for purpose crash. So me stay far and pre them as I at the top. True man, I step up, no love is that. Be your friends with the love is sit and check on me cash. When the black Benz pull up, no for purpose crash. So me stay far and pre them as I at the top.
Everywhere you turn, nowadays they just a see me. The TV, the radio station, them a feel me. From your own, me my own. When you see me, just give me separation, poverty. Me beat the game, the race, me win it. Money just a rotate like sashimi, kaka chili. Many try to take me out, you know them youth are silly. Every day me fly out, now the jet them thing lily. When me a stop pile, them a try stop Billy.
True man, I step up, no love is that. Be your friends with the love is sit and check on me cash. When the black Benz pull up, no for purpose crash. So me stay far and pre them as I at the top. True man, I step up, no love is that. Be your friends with the love is sit and check on me cash. When the black Benz pull up, no for purpose crash.